In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and filter your transaction history in Robinhood. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past activity, how to make sense of it, and how to quickly narrow down what you're looking for. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone or go to the website in your browser, then log in with your credentials. Make sure you're on a secure connection and using the latest version of the app so everything looks and works as expected. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step to get signed in safely. Once you're in, head to your account area. On mobile, that's the person icon, usually in the bottom right. On the website, look for your account or profile menu at the top. From there, select History. This is the central place where Robinhood organizes your past activity. Your history view shows a chronological list of transactions across your account. You'll see stock and ETF purchases and sales, open and cancelled orders, dividends you've received, transfers into or out of your account, and any fees. Each entry typically shows the date, the security or action, and a quick summary of the amount or quantity. This high-level view is great for scanning your recent activity and making sure everything matches what you expect. If you want to focus on something specific, use the filters or sorting options available on the page. You can narrow the results by account, such as choosing a brokerage versus a retirement account if you have more than one, or by transaction type, like just dividends, only transfers, or stock orders. Sorting lets you quickly switch between newest and oldest entries, which is handy if you're checking a recent fill or reviewing older events. Filters are especially helpful if your history is long and you want to cut through the noise. When you need more detail, tap or click any individual transaction. This opens a deeper view with specifics about that order or event. For trades, you'll typically see the order type, filled price, number of shares, any applicable fees, and the status, like filled or cancelled. For dividends, you'll see the amount paid and the payment date. For transfers, you'll see whether it was incoming or outgoing and the confirmation details. Reviewing these details helps you verify execution, confirm payouts, and understand exactly what happened. That's all there is to it. Open Robinhood and log in, go to your account, select history, use filters to refine what you see, and tap any item for the full breakdown. With these steps, you can monitor your portfolio activity confidently and stay organized.